Welcome to Seychelles Education System Malakeh-Abad. Founded on the 3rd of April, Seychelles Education System is a rising educational institute in Malakeh-Abad, Gottowan. In just its first academic year, the school proudly enrolled up to 190 students. Under the inspiring leadership of Director Mr. Askar Ali, Principal Mr. Nawab, Vice Principal Mr. Karwal Amin, the school is committed to providing both quality education and character building. Admin teacher Mr. Abdullah Mukhtar ensures smooth operations and discipline across the campus. At Seychelles, education goes beyond textbooks. Our goal is to prepare students for life. With a perfect balance of academics, Islamic teachings, and personality development. Students engage daily in English speeches, group learning and classroom activities designed to boost confidence, communication, and creativity.
सुर्ख